In this video, we are going to see how Sigma males talk to women altogether. Before diving into this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you do not miss our future videos. Most people have a common way of how to communicate and get with someone of the opposite gender. You establish something common, strike up a conversation, and get into flirtation. But, for Sigma males, talking with women can be a little more difficult and confusing. Sigma guys have their own perspective on life, especially when it comes to women. They have a unique advantage when it comes to approaching and seducing women because of their distinct personality. This can make talking and dealing with women harder for them than others, but most women usually enjoy a good challenge, and it can lead to some interesting and amazing talks. Girls most of the time think the most attractive of all men are alpha males, but a new breed of men is emerging, the Sigma male. Now, most women find the characteristics of the Sigma man alluring and tingling, because they aren't the standard good guy. They can appear right away more intriguing and mysterious than other men. So how Sigma males communicate with women? How do they to girls and flirt? Here's a list of how Sigma males talk to women. Let's start. Sigma males depend only on themselves and don't rely on other people for advice. Sigma males are magnificent researchers. They always believe strongly in the value of research. Instead of asking someone else about something, they would rather spend some time researching it or learning more about it. Sigma males are always self-sufficient in getting answers to their lifelong life questions. They would search the internet, read books, search YouTube and other social media platforms and gather information about life and about human connection in multiple ways. But they always find what they are looking for in the end. They do, in fact, look for solace in isolation, and spending time alone help their improvement as researchers. When women are among Sigma males, they might feel intimidated, they get nuts. That may be because they are the researchers with a wealth of knowledge and wisdom at their fingertips. It's that simple for Sigma men to keep women on their toes with this personality characteristics. Sigma males always take charge of their intimate life. Sigma men are in control of their intimacy all the times. That makes them unpredictable to women. Women sometimes get so captivated with Sigmas that they throw themselves at them sexually because that is their only superpower. Women love to control men, but not these men. However, as I already said, seduction and flirting do not work well with Sigma males. They are not going to get with a woman simply because she flirt with them. In fact, the more she tries to seduce a Sigma man, the more reasons he'll have to avoid her. However, being smart, focused, and a go-getter type of a girl is the best and only approach to get a Sigma male's attention. The next way is, Sigmas want to cover every aspect of life. Not really. This is the aspect where most beta males fall short miserably. Betas always want to cover all aspects of life, and as a result, they deteriorate into a weaker version of themselves. Beta guys desire to look good and nice at all times, to be friendly, to be presentable, to be gentle, and so forth. They waste their entire lives trying to impress others. Sigma guys, on the other hand, approach the world with the mindset that not everything is perfect. As a result, if things do not go right, they have no reason to second-guess themselves. All they have to do after that happens is switch to another strategy. That's why Sigma males are always successful in all they do and focus on. They are not afraid to go through life as it is. Even when things are not easy, they try to make the best of it. Sigma males don't overthink things. Sigma males aren't the type to overthink things. They go through life on their own terms and they craft their own path. As a result, if life don't go as planned, they always have a backup plan in place. And if plan B don't work, they go for plan C. And so on, and more options. The truth is, Sigma males would rather waste their time brainstorming solutions to a problem than overthinking it. After all, overthinking will never fix the problem. For whatever they achieve, the lone wolves have always a backup plan. So if things don't go as planned, they do not have to worry. All they need to do now is to activate the second plan. Sigma men are very straightforward. They are very honest and they don't waste their time with being phony. A typical modern woman wants to see a man apologizes to her for everything and begging for forgiveness. The majority of women desire that in their lives. Some women will even go out with a man who is likely to fail intentionally to gain advantages in their relationship. Sigma guys, on the other hand, are not complicated. They do not feel shy to express their feelings to their girlfriends, but they never apologize for what has happened. And that because of the fact that they do not spend their life impressing anyone, not even women. Sigma males don't like being told what to do. One of the amazing characteristics that women love in Sigma males is their refusal to be told what to do. They have their own ways and never think twice about making decisions. Sigma guys would rather make mistakes and learn from them than being told what to do. Of course, Sigma males are not that interested in a woman's side conversations or her attractive color. That's why Sigma males are so mysterious and deceitful to women who have in the past dated alpha, beta, or omega males. You can't order the Sigma men around. They prefer to live life on his own terms and follows their own paths. As Sigma males are unpredictable and hate being told what to do, no woman can easily have her way or force authority over them. Sigma males are completely unpredictable. You can't possibly guess their next move. Indeed, they are enigmatic in every way. When they're in a presence of a woman, they also talk a lot less, making it impossible to forecast what the Sigma guys will do. When alpha and beta males are in a presence of women, they like to talk a lot about themselves. Women can easily get them as a result of this. When a woman is in a company of a Sigma guy, she tries to analyze how he acts in different situations. There are times when women intentionally do things just to see how the Sigma males respond. Even if a girl tries to seduce a Sigma guy, he retains his composure and thinking. Sigma males have a way of forcing that young girl out of a woman. Sigma guys are unashamedly honest and they don't calculate their words when it comes to expressing their feelings. These lone wolves are different from the rest of the guys in that they do not just say to women what they want to hear. It makes no difference to them how women feel. Sigma guys tell women the truth. They boldly talk to any woman because of their life experience, and they don't care how she thinks or reacts. Sigma males are aware of women's super strength and will exploit it against them. That's why Sigma guys can easily push any woman out of her comfort zone. They do that in a very fashionable manner. They figure out first what the woman's super strength is and then use it to force her to do anything they want. Did you like our video? Let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.